Hi, Bob Bonniol here from ACT Entertainment. At the moment, I am in HQ for tvONE and Green Hippo in Maidenhead in the United Kingdom. Now, one of the things I wanted to talk to you today about is the mission-critical nature of our tech stack. Whether it's the Grand MA3 lighting console, our Calico creative video processor, or the Green Hippo Hypnotizer MX media server, what you can count on is that our gear is robust, it's stable, it's ready to perform for you when the highest stakes are at hand. So whether that's a broadcast application where you're going to get one shot to get it right on camera, or it's a live environment, a concert in a stadium or arena or a theater where an audience is counting on having a good time on the time they come, it means that our stuff is ready to perform when you're ready to go. And what that also means is you might find our gear in places that surprise you. I mentioned arenas and stadiums and theaters, but would it surprise you to know that our equipment is also found on F1 pit walls? It's found in robotic surgery suites. It's found in command and control environments for aerospace and defense. That's because it is utterly reliable. It's incredibly secure, and it's backed by an amazingly robust customer support system. So if you do have an issue, when you pick up the phone 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, there's going to be a human being there who's going to pick it up and who's going to resolve your problem. That confidence is why our equipment is found in places you'd expect and also in places that are entirely unexpected.